feeling inside me that I've always tried to hide. This feeling has never ended, didn't ever subside.
Ready?
Okay, today we're going to replace a car stereo on 2005 Toyota Highlander. Here's how. We need this tool to remove this, what do you call this? Compartment? I don't know. Just stuff like this, easy. There you go. One more here. It's just easy like that. And in this case, we need a 10 millimeter there. So we need the extension. I'll show you. Those two guys there, and the other one. On the other side, there is another two, and one on the top. Okay, once we remove those, then we can remove this, the whole thing, and then just remove all those harnesses. Okay, so I'll show you next time the aftermarket radio. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.